Is it bad to hold in a sneeze while pregnant? I've heard that it is dangerous.
I do not care how hard you sneeze, the kid won't come out. Not even if you are in your 9th month.
I know that won't throw me into labor. But is it bad if I hold back the sneeze?
Holding back a sneeze could cause hiccups, but it won't make you sick.
What about when they say better out than in?
Holding back your burps can trigger morning sickness, while holding back farts can lead to one you cannot yet blame on the baby.
I've heard that it is actually bad for you.
If you sniff in the snot and end up keeping the crud in your lungs, you're more likely to end up with bronchitis versus just a runny nose.
I do not think I'm inhaling it, only suctioning it back in.
If you keep sucking it in because you do not want to sneeze, swallowing the snot could trigger vomiting.
As if morning sickness were not bad enough.
I know sneezing can trigger a morning sickness episode if you're having a bad bout of it, but so can stop-and-go traffic and the word calamari. But keeping it in, as they say, can make you throw up too.
I think it is easier to make a list of what does not make me throw up.
Try talking to the doctor about alternatives that won't make your stomach upset or hurt the baby. Some antihistamines are safe when you're pregnant, as long as you are not driving.
Why else should I sneeze?
If you keep in the sneezes, you could give bacteria a wonderful place to grow. Keeping the warm snot in your nose raises the risk of sinus infections. And the antibiotics to treat that are not great for the kid either.
I heard it could give you meningitis.
In theory, it could if you do not sneeze and get it out. Then again, a third of people have the MRSA bacteria in their noses per some study.
So if I sneeze, I could get MRSA.
It is more likely you'll get pneumonia if you do not clear out your nose and lungs.
I know getting sick is not good for me or the kid.
If you get sick and get dehydrated, that actually puts the baby at risk. Get dehydrated enough, and it could throw you into labor.
Fine, hand me a tissue, will you?